Ang programang ito ay hatid sa inyo ng BGC Concrete Batching Plant. We commit and we fulfill.
Ten seconds on the shot clock. Number 3, 4, number 9, 4, 3. That's style Santa Cruz basketball. Dalawa na lang ang lamang ng Jocson College, 55-53. Foul has been whistled. Foul number 29, a holding foul. There's a new first team foul on Jocson College. Foul has been whistled. Foul number 29. Dalawa ka na, number 29, second team foul on Jocson College. To free throw zone number 1. Wale. Split. Was that same ball. Shot clock brimming at 20 seconds. 20 seconds to shoot. A foul has been whistled. Foul number 9. 22 out for the Jocson College. Number 9 from Santa Cruz. Foul has been whistled. Foul number 2.
Number
32 out for the Jocson College. Dalawa ka na. Second team foul on Santa Cruz. Number 9, may tanga ng bola. Foul has been whistled. Foul on number 4. Hacking foul. Loka na, number 4, Santa Cruz. Third team foul. On your Santa Cruz Academy. Look out. Done by number 1. Intercepted. Foul has been whistled. Foul committed number 29.
Number 29 out.
Delak po tayo at 55 all. First throw on number 14. 2 out of 2.
So number 9.
Number 9 out for Oxton College. Number 13. Pinasa kay number 2. Number 34. Kick out pass. Miscommunication. Turnover. Santa Cruz basketball. Tumama sa ilalim ng backboard. Last touch on Santa Cruz. Oxon basketball. Number 13, 42. Two points on number 2. Out of bounds, zone ball. Shot clock rimming at 18 seconds. 18 seconds to shoot. Out of bounds, Oxon basketball. A rebound by number 4. Last touch on Santa Cruz. Oxon basketball. Number 34 pass number 13. Nakuha number 1. Kick out that to number 4. Number 4. 4-2. Shot locked down to 10. Number 2, 2 points. Ten seconds on the shot lock. Foul has been whistled. Foul number 27. Timeout, Oxon College. Back to the ball game. To feature zone number 3. Basket on number 3. Second shot. 2 out of 2. By number 14. Ten seconds on the shot lock. Oh, 3, number 34. Apat na lang ang kalamangan ng Santa Cruz. 63, 64, 60. Foul has been whistled. Foul on number 13. Holding foul. Second on you. Third. Third rather. Penalty, Jocson College. 2 free throws on number 1. Splitter on number 1. Good for 2 on number 27. Last touch on Jocson, Sable. Shot clock running at 14 seconds. 14 seconds to shoot. Rebound by number 7. Foul has been whistled. Foul number 3. Blocking foul. Intercepted. Good for 2 on number 2. Last touch, same ball. 34 out for the Jocson College. Shot clock running po tayo at 17 seconds. 17 seconds to shoot. Last touch on Santa Cruz, Jocson College basketball. Down by number 1. Number 2, Bautista. Wala. Last touch on Santa Cruz, same ball. Shot clock running at 16 seconds. 16 seconds to shoot. Shot clock running at 16 seconds. 16 seconds to shoot. Rep. Back to the ball game. Shot clock running at 16 seconds. 16 seconds to shoot. Shot clock down to 10. Foul has been whistled. Foul number 4 rather. Penalty. Number 4 out, Santa Cruz. Both teams are in a penalty situation. Apat na yan. Two free throws on number 27. Baseball pass. Good for 2 on number 3. Basket on number 13. Foul committed number 15, hacking foul. Dalawa ka na, number 15. Bonus free throw on number 13. Basket. Number 1. Foul has been blown. Whistle. Foul number 9. Hacking foul. 2 free throws on number 1. First basket on number 1. Hey, first throw on number 1. It's good. Second throw on number 1. 2 out of 2. Number 27. Pass to number 7. Wala. Nakuha number 3. Nasa kay number 3, Bondok. Kick out pass, number 2. Rebound by number 2. Nakuha number 13. Nakuha number 27. Good for 2 on number 13. Big rebound by number 15. Foul has been whistled. Foul number 27. Number 5 fouls. Number 2. 27, 5 fouls. 5 fouls, number 27. Yeah, pasok ka na. First basket, it's good on number 14. Two out of 2 on number 14. It's a traveling violation, turnover. Santa Cruz basketball. Good for 2 on number 2. Same ball. Shot lock. Timeout. Jocson College. Score point item 75 for SCA, 67 for Jocson College. Next game, be ready. Pampanga High School versus CDS Juniors Division. Back to the ball game. Shot clock remaining natin at 70 seconds to shoot. 17 on the shot clock. Two minutes Foul has been whistled. Foul committed number 34, hacking foul. Third on you, number 34. Two free throws on number 1. Substitution up. Number 34 for the Jocson College out. Replacing number 22, Australia in. Foul has been whistled. Foul committed number 14. Hockey foul. 2 shots on number 22. Dalawa na yan, ha? First basket, it's good. Second shot on number 22. 2 out of 2 on number 22. Number 22, good for 2.
22.
Still on number 3. Foul has been whistled. Coach. Tederiano. Dalawa ka na, number 2. Penalty. Both teams are in a penalty situation. First basket on number 3. Pasok. First throw. Pasok yan. Second throw on number 3. 2 out of 2 on number 3. Good for 2 on number 2. Intercepted by number 14. Pass number 1. Fires. Rebound. Adwalo. Foul has been whistled. Foul committed number 7. Penalty tayo, rep, ha? Penalty. 32 out for the Jocson College. Number 1 or the Santa Cruz. Two free throws on number 2. Sokong unang basket. Last throw on number 2. 2 out of 2 on number 2. Shalaki sa po tayo. Ten seconds. Number 15, good for 2. That's the end of our third quarter. Score po natin 84 for your Santa Cruz, 71 for your Jocson College.
Ang programang ito ay hatid sa inyo ng BGC Concrete Batching Plant. We commit and we fulfill.